Welcome to the Piedmont Home of Distinction, built by Buckhorn Construction. This extraordinary home is being built in Louisville, showcasing the latest design and custom amenities.
I'm Shane, the owner of Davis Roofing Company. As a Master Elite contractor, we're able to offer you the best shingle warranty in the business. Only 3% of roofing contractors in the U.S. have achieved Master Elite status based on their uncompromising commitment to the high standards in sales, service, and installation. At Davis Roofing Company, we're able to offer the best warranties in the business. All single-family homes receive a 50-year non-prorated material and labor warranty, and all commercial applications receive a 20-year non-prorated material and labor warranty at no additional charge.
Track the progress of the home through pictures, floor plans, and video at myfox8.com and tour the home when completed this summer. Proceeds benefit Warriors for Wells. Find out more at myfox8.com.